Hey everybody, we are doing 85 times 8 using partial products. What that means is we're going to take this 85 and split it up and then multiply each part by the 8. So we're going to take 85 and put it into expanded form along the top. That's what the green and blue boxes are for. 85 is really 80 and 5. And then we're going to put the 8 in the red box. So what this shows is that we're multiplying just one at a time. So we're going to do 80 times 8 and then 5 times 8. They'll both get to multiply against the 8, but we're doing it one at a time because it's a lot easier that way. And then when you do 80 times 8, you're going to put what you get over here in the green and red boxes because it's green versus red. And then when you do 5 times 8, you'll put it over here in the blue and red boxes. And then you'll add it all together. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So 80 times 8, whenever you see a 0, you just cover it up. Do 8 times 8 and add a 0 to the end. 8 times 8 is 64. And then we add a 0, so 80 times 8 is 640. And then 5 times 8 is 40. Then you're just going to add it all together. And our total is 680. So that's how you use partial products. Watch the rest of the videos if you want more practice. And if you want to get these worksheets, you can click on the description below. There are 6 of them.